Hey guys, a lot of you guys had questions about the workshop tomorrow. And if you can't make it, make sure you just go to the website anyway and fill out the form because I'll send a replay of it. But I just finished the presentation and we're going to be going over a ton of things. We're going to be going over everything from workouts to exercise to nutrition to gut health to HRT, and just explaining it all and your options and maybe how I can help or maybe not help or guide or educate on different things. And the presentation is going to be awesome. Let me just pop over to that real quick. It's really going to be very, very in depth. So be ready to, it's going to be really, we're going to be going over all of these things, hormones, just kind of explaining how, menopause and perimenopause works, why it is your gut, your nutrition is super important. We'll go over strength training and any type of exercise, stress, adrenals, HRT, which is hormone replacement, how I can help you, and it's going to be amazing. So hopefully you can make it. If not, fill out the form and we'll get you taken care of.